Today we are featuring a Groen 6-quart tabletop steam jacketed kettle to prepare a simple, hearty chicken soup for the soup of the day. Here is a great example of the efficient use of a Groen kettle to prepare a large variety of products to meet the incredible high demand of a busy sandwich restaurant. We start by assembling all the ingredients to prepare today's soup. In the kettle, we'll add butter to begin our saute process. Groen steam jacketed kettles are more efficient and safer than traditional stock pots, with faster cook times and reduced energy cost. Now we'll add the vegetable blend of mirepoix, onion, celery, and carrots, and then a blend of thyme and oregano, kosher salt, and white pepper. Now we'll place the fitted lid, letting the vegetables, herbs, and spices develop flavor. Groen's trademark signature mirror-like finish stands alone in the industry. It's been our signature for more than 60 years, and with the use of new robotic welding, grinding, and polishing, we've enhanced the quality of our finish even more. The mirror-like finish on all of Groen tabletop and tilting floor kettles enables ease in cleaning for sanitation purposes, visually stands out in kitchens, and is yet another example of why Groen Kettles continues to lead the industry in quality and functionality. Notice how the vegetables are evenly cooked without scorching. Even heating and precision temperature control mean less pot watching and stirring, saving labor and improving kitchen efficiency. Groen steam jacketed tabletop kettles come standard with a 3/8-inch solid bar reinforced rim. Now we add chicken stock in a slurry made by simply mixing cornstarch and cold water. This will help thicken the soup along with the starch from the egg noodle pasta. The Groen kettles come standard with water sight glass and pressure gauge to help protect your kettles. When the pasta is almost cooked, we will finally add a portion of prepared pulled chicken and freshly chopped parsley, and our hearty chicken soup is finished. For safer transport of hot product, the optional drain cart will securely hold a standard size hotel pan, and the large, fully welded pour lips make it easier to transfer the hot soup. Now we can place the soup in the steam well, ready for our sandwich restaurant's busy service ahead. Now we have seen how the Groen steam jacketed kettle supports the fast-paced operations of the extremely popular sandwich restaurant concept. Groen's family of kettles are hardworking, versatile, and long on efficiency, saving labor and energy. With more options available than any other manufacturer, there is a heavy-duty kettle for every size kitchen, and we stand behind it with a standard 1-year parts and labor warranty and a 10-year kettle body warranty. Groen has been manufacturing quality, durability, and performance for over a century. For more information on the Groen line of kettles, visit our website at www.unifiedbrands.net and click on the Groen tab.